Good morning, New Mexico. This is the Albuquerque National Weather Service with a special weather briefing for Monday, September 30th, 2019. We are concerned about heavy rain for many portions of New Mexico, so let's just jump right in and discuss some of the details. Just to give an overview of what's going on, we are expecting heavy rainfall late this afternoon, Monday, into tonight and Tuesday, October 1st. And the primary areas that are going to be impacted will include the Sacramento and Capitan Mountains of Lincoln County, and the east central to southeastern plains will also be at high risk for heavy rainfall. And so we're looking at pretty widespread areas with rainfall amounts approaching 2 to 3, perhaps even 4 inches, and some locally higher amounts will even be possible across portions of southeastern to east central New Mexico. And so when we see rainfall amounts that high, we do get concerned with flash flooding and lots of runoff concerns. So if we look exactly what's going on and what's causing this heavy rain potential, our map here, our weather map on the left here, does show high pressure over the lower Mississippi River Valley. And then we do have a tropical depression just west of Old Mexico, and a lot of the subtropical and tropical moisture associated with that remnant tropical depression, a lot of that moisture will be coming northward towards New Mexico. So this map here shows a look at about 6 a.m. Monday, and if we step forward in time and look at this map on the right, at about midnight tonight, we can see Tropical Depression Narda inching northward up towards the Gulf of California, and a lot of that deeper moisture starts to come into south central, southeast, and even east central New Mexico. And that's really going to be what fuels the heavy rainfall potential for New Mexico. The areas at greatest risk for excessive rainfall, you can see those outlined here in the shades of red here on the map. This map here on the left looks at the daytime period of Monday going into Monday night, so 6 a.m. Monday through 6 a.m. Tuesday. And this is the areas of greatest risk for excessive rainfall, and those excessive rainfall areas would lead to flash flooding. If we look at the Tuesday time frame, going from 6 a.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Wednesday, that threat for excessive rainfall does shift a little bit to the east, and that highest risk or moderate risk of excessive rainfall does dwindle just a little bit right towards the east central border of New Mexico with West Texas. Now we do have a flash flood watch out for much of New Mexico, including the south central, southeastern, and east central counties and zones. And one of the things that we like to remind people is that a flash flood watch means that the ingredients are in place for flash flooding and heavy rainfall. Now that doesn't mean that the flooding is already happening or occurring. It just means that the ingredients are already in place and flash flooding could happen through the watch time. Now, flash flood warnings will be issued when the rain becomes heavy and imminent flash flooding is about to happen, meaning that the rain is just too heavy for the ground to absorb and too heavy for drainage systems to divert the rainfall. So we want you to stay tuned through the day and into tonight and Tuesday. We might be issuing some of those flash flood warnings, so please, if you do get notification of any of those warnings, please heed the warnings. And we've covered a lot of material in this short time, but we can't possibly cover all the specifics for every location in New Mexico. So we invite you to check out weather.gov/ABQ, and you can click on our maps and get the specific data for your local area and see exactly how much rainfall and when the rainfall is expected to occur. If you do encounter any heavy rainfall or flash flooding, you can send pictures or rainfall reports to our Facebook page or share them with us via Twitter. And we also urge you to stay tuned to the weather, whether it's through NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite media outlet, such as your favorite TV station or radio station. So thank you for joining us, and please stay safe out there.